Hello. Today we will learn the phrasal verb be thrown back on something. It means you have to rely on something because you have no other choice. Usually this happens when other options disappear. For example, if you lose your job, you might be thrown back on your savings. This phrase is often used in the passive voice. You say, she was thrown back on her family for help. Notice the preposition on comes after thrown back. You cannot separate this phrase. It is common in both formal and everyday English. You can use it when talking about money, support, or resources. For instance, after the storm, they were thrown back on their own supplies. It shows a forced or sudden dependence. Don't say they threw back on their savings. That is wrong. Always use the passive form, were thrown back on. This phrase is useful to describe tough situations. Try to use it in your conversations or writing. Now let's practice with some examples. Remember, be thrown back on something means forced to rely on something. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.